Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Ps4 controller on PC without Bluetooth. First, grab a standard micro USB to USB-A cable, the same one you use to charge your controller. Plug one end into your Ps4 controller and the other into an available USB port on your computer. Your PC should quickly recognize the device, and the controller's light bar will illuminate, indicating a successful wired connection. This simple plug-and-play method is the quickest way to get. For an optimized experience, especially with your game library, Steam offers excellent built-in support. Launch Steam, then go to Settings and select the Controller tab. From there, click General Controller Settings and enable PlayStation configuration support. This allows Steam to properly interpret your controller's inputs. You can even add non-Steam games to your library to benefit from this enhanced compatibility, giving you a consistent gaming experience across many titles. After a successful scan, the PayPal app will display the merchant's name and the transaction details. Double-check all the information, including the amount, which you might need to enter manually. Choose your desired payment method, such as your PayPal balance or a linked bank account. Finally, tap the Confirm button to securely complete your payment. It's a quick and easy process. Once connected, you can personalize your controller. Within Steam or PS4 windows, explore options to remap buttons, adjust rumble feedback, or even change the light bar color. If you encounter any issues, like unresponsive inputs, try using a different micro USB cable or plugging into a USB 2.0 port, as some users report better stability. Always ensure PS4 Windows is active if you're relying on it for game compatibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.